LATICRETE, the leader in tile and stone installation materials, is proud to introduce the new Hydraband shower pan kit and 4" by 4" Hydraband bonding flange drains. These Hydraband products are part of a complete system providing a waterproof installation that is backed by the industry's best warranty. The Hydraband shower pan kits and bonding flange drains offer you enhanced design options with optimum performance. Handcrafted in the USA, the Hydraband shower pan kit is constructed of high-density polystyrene. Enhance your next shower installation with an attractive Hydraband bonding flange drain in brushed, polished, or oil-rubbed bronze finish. Key features of the Hydraband shower pan kits include pre-sloped, ready-to-tile pan, eliminates need for traditional mud bed installations, lightweight and durable, easy to transport and handle during installation, can quickly and easily be modified to size on site, approved for steam showers or steam rooms. The sheet membrane is pliable and conforms easily to the substrate using a polymer fortified thinset. Works in conjunction with LATICRETE tile and stone installation materials for a complete waterproof assembly and available lifetime system warranty. The Hydraband shower pan kit allows for installation over a variety of substrates. Consult the product data sheet for full installation instructions. Here, we will show a typical installation over exterior glue plywood using a Hydraband shower pan kit having a center drain. First, locate and mark the center drain location. The substrate will need a hole to accommodate the drain fitting and waistline when the pan is installed. The hole will need to be 6 inches or 15 centimeters in diameter. Ensure that walls are square and plumb for proper fit of pan. Do not leave any holes in the substrate other than the one for the waistline connection. Holes left from tub replacements and unused waistlines need to be filled and structurally sound to meet substrate deflection. The LATICRETE Hydraband shower pan kit comes with the following items: a Hydraband shower pan, Hydraband curb to fit the longest side of the pan, 1 tube of Hydraband adhesive and sealant, Hydraband sheet membrane for walls and pan, Hydraband sealing tape for installation, 4 Hydraband inside corners, 2 Hydraband outside corners, 1 Hydraband pipe seal, and 1 Hydraband mixing valve seal. The new shower pan offers a significant time savings over traditional mortar bed installations. All you need to do is install the shower pan and bonding flange drain, and then waterproof with the supplied Hydraband sheet membrane products. The Hydraband bonding flange drains are available in both PVC or ABS waistline connection. The Hydraband shower pan kit comes in 5 center drain sizes and 1 off-center for tub replacement. The Hydraband bonding flange drains are sold separately. The Hydraband shower pan kits are site-sizable using a utility knife or a circular saw. Always dry fit the pan and drain connection prior to the start of the installation. Apply a thinset such as LATICRETE 254 Platinum or similar to the substrate using a 1/4" by 3/8" inch trowel. Skim coat the back of the pan. Install the pan, ensuring that the Hydraband shower pan is fully bedded into the thinset. Check that the pan is level and apply weight equally across the pan for 30 minutes. Apply a 1/4" to 1/2 inch, 6 to 12 millimeter, continuous thick bead of Hydraband adhesive and sealant into the rabbet joint of the Hydraband shower pan. Using 1/2 inch, 12 millimeter cement backer board, set the board into the sealant until you see the sealant oozing out along the joint. Remove excess sealant using a margin trowel, ensuring a continuous seal at the joint. Fasten backer board per cement backer board manufacturer's installation instructions directly to framing with cement backer board screws at 8 inches on center spacing, starting 1 foot above the shower pan. All screw penetrations should be covered with thinset and seams with thinset and alkaline-resistant tape. Next, determine location of Hydroband preformed curb. Affix curb to floor by applying polymer fortified thinset, such as LATICRETE 254 Platinum or similar, to floor using a 1/4 inch by 3/8 inch trowel and skim coating the underside of the curb. Before setting curb in place, apply a bead of Hydroband adhesive and sealant to the lap joint on underside of curb and to the adjoining wall panels. Remove any excess sealant or thinset using a margin trowel, ensuring a continuous seal at the joint between the curb and the pre-sloped shower pan and walls. Apply thinset such as LATICRETE 254 Platinum or similar with a 1/4 inch by 3/16 inch, 6 mm by 5 mm V-notch trowel. Press the Hydroband sheet membrane corners firmly into the thinset. Remove any trapped air and guaranteed full adhesion to the substrate by spreading the thinset from the inside of the corner out using a flat trowel. Continue with thinset around the floor-to-wall transition using a 1/4 inch by 3/16 inch, 6 mm by 5 mm V-notch trowel. Overlap the corners by 2 inches or 50 mm with Hydroband sealing tape. Press sealing tape firmly into the thinset. Remove any trapped air and guarantee full adhesion to the substrate by spreading the thinset from the inside of the corner out using a flat trowel. Treat the vertical corners with the Hydroband sheet membrane sealing tape next in the same manner as the floor-to-wall transitions. Treat pipe penetrations and mixing valves by applying thinset such as LATICRETE 254 Platinum or similar with a 1/4 inch by 3/16 inch, 6 mm by 5 mm V-notch trowel. Slide the appropriate Hydroband sheet membrane pipe collar over the pipe or mixing valve and press firmly into the thinset. The urethane rubber will seal around the pipe or mixing valve cover. Again, remove any trapped air and guarantee full adhesion to the material by spreading the thinset from the penetration out using a flat trowel. Cut the Hydroband sheet membrane to the required width and length for the installation. Apply the thinset to the surface of the wall with the 1/4 inch by 3/16 inch, 6 mm by 5 mm V-notch trowel. If the surface is uneven, use a square notch trowel with a wider tooth up to 3/8 of an inch, 9 mm. Be sure to comb all of the thinset in the same direction. Install the first length of sheet membrane. It may be easiest to unroll it up the wall or in the direction that you combed the thinset. Remember to overlap the membrane by a minimum of 2 inches or 5 centimeters. Be sure to leave at least 1/4 of an inch, 6 mm, of space from the floor. The floor should be the last section installed. Apply thinset around the opening where the bonding flange will sit. Apply PVC or ABS glue to the waistline and the bonding flange female portion of the connection on the bonding flange. Install the bonding flange, ensuring proper fit to the domestic waistline and shower pan. Install the bonding flange drain in the opening. Press firmly in order to allow the thinset to come up through the square openings to allow for a stronger bond. Install the Hydroband sheet membrane over the shower pan and bonding flange using thinset such as LATICRETE 254 Platinum or similar. Apply thinset mortar with a 1/4 inch by 3/16 inch, 6 mm by 5 mm trowel. Press the membrane firmly into the thinset using a flat trowel. Remove any trapped air and guarantee full adhesion to the substrate by spreading the thinset from the inside of the pan to the perimeter using a flat trowel. The hole can be cut in the sheet membrane after installation. Locate the drain under the membrane and cut out around it using a utility knife, thus exposing the drain. Once the drain is exposed, Apply a coat of thinset to the inner rim of the drain and press the ring into place, allowing any excess thinset to come up through the square cutouts on the ring. Once LATICRETE Hydroban waterproof membrane is dry, begin wall tile installation by applying LATICRETE 254 Platinum or similar thinset onto the wall. Install wall tile into the thinset to desired location and in accordance with industry standards. Once the wall tile installation is complete, begin floor installation in the same manner. Spread thinset onto the pan, working outward from the back edge to the front of the Hydroban shower pan. Next, install the drain grate. Set the height of the grate by screwing it up or down as appropriate for the thickness of the tile. The grate should be about 1/16 of an inch lower than the surrounding tile. Complete tile installation for the rest of the pan and curb. After the tile is installed, complete the installation by grouting with LATICRETE Spectral Lock Pro Premium Grout. Hydroban shower system products provide a quicker, easier-to-install option for shower installations. Designed to work in conjunction with other quality LATICRETE materials, the entire installation is backed by a comprehensive system warranty, providing you peace of mind and insurance. For complete installation instructions, installation details, and other information, please visit www.laticrete.com.